Did you narrow your messages down to your top 5? I hope so, because what I'm going to ask you to do now is to pull out your cell phone and just say it out loud. Don't worry about it being perfect. Don't worry about it having a fascinating, engaging opening or stories. Let's just talk out our 5 messages and see how they sound. Sometimes you'll go to all this effort of brainstorming messages. You type them up, they look fine on a screen or a piece of paper, but you say them out loud and you realize one of the messages is completely boring and uninteresting to everyone. Scratch it off. So I'm not going to ask you to post the video, the URL, here in the discussion yet. But I do want you to record it and listen to it and watch it. I understand you might not like your voice yet. You'll get used to your voice. That really solves the problem for most people, is just getting used to the sound of their own voice. So do that. I would like you to write down in the discussion section of this course what your top 5 messages are, and remind me and everyone else what is the one thing you're trying to get people to do, and then write down what your 5 messages are. This really helps people, even if no one else looks at it, and I am going to look at it, to write it down, to have that clarity in your mind as you're preparing your speech, practicing it, giving it, makes it so much more effective for you and the audience. So I want you to do that now. Now, if you want even more information on all the things to think about in messaging, I have some advanced classes here further down. This is what you really need to know that's most important. But with anything we cover in this course in the first 90 minutes or so, there is a lot more in-depth later on in the course with some of the advanced courses, the frequently asked questions section. And don't forget, you can always just type in a message directly to me or in the discussion with any specific question you have. And if I don't already have a video on it in this course, I'll make a new one for you that will be posted on the YouTube channel that corresponds to this course. So don't forget that option. I am here for you.